Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Before we will proceed to our today's topic, there is one good news for all that we have launched our Salesforce admin training course. This course is for both beginners as well as for the advanced level expert. You can also watch this even if you don't have any knowledge about the Salesforce. We have covered up the 9 plus module with 21 plus hour of HD videos in which we have covered both Lightning as well as the classic user interface. We start up with the introduction to the Salesforce and the CRM essentials. We have also let you know about the Salesforce release cycle with the Salesforce edition and the pricing packages too. We also let you know how you can navigate yourself to Salesforce Lightning to the classic and create a free developer account in Salesforce too. We have covered up all the essential features of the Salesforce Lightning interface. Even we have let you know how you can create a user, manage the user, even you can activate, deactivate and create or reset the password of the user. If we talk about the security, we also let you know about the object level security, field level security, record level security, and also let you know how you can share the things with other Salesforce admins. And if we move ahead, we also let you know about how you can create an app with objects and the tab and with its essential features. We have covered up each and every field that are available in Salesforce with some of its functions and the formula in both Lightning as well as the classic user interface. If we move to the advanced topic of a Salesforce, we have let you know about how you can create a custom buttons to the links to the action pages and the page layouts and the list view. We also let you know about the schema builder to the process builder and the validation rules, so you can also automate the process executions and do the automation things. We also let you know how you can use the reports and dashboard to visualize your data inside in Salesforce easily. If we are dealing up with the bulk of a data, you are dealing up with the millions of a data, we have let you know about the data import wizard tools and the data loader, so you can use it to insert, to delete, to update and to create all the data in a one go. So this course is for the Salesforce admin. Even if you don't have any knowledge, you can go with that course. This is a totally 100% self-paced video module. You can go and watch anywhere when you get a time according to your preference. Even we are letting you go, give the PDF material so you can easily grasp the things at the end. We also give you the certification once you complete that course, and this course is available at the 50% of discount right now with the lifetime access. And one of the most best feature of this course is that we are giving you a one-to-one doubt clear session with interview preparations and the internship opportunity. So now let's move back to our today's topic. So today we are going to learn about the ISPICKVAL function in Salesforce. So let's proceed and firstly understand what does we mean by this ISPICKVAL function. It is one of the Salesforce text function and it is used when you need to determine if the value selected in the picklist field is equal to a text literal you specify or not. It is similar to the include. The only difference is that it will work upon the picklist field value, not on the multi-picklist field value. The syntax of this function is given on your screen. Here the picklist field value parameter specify the merge field name of the picklist, or you can say a API name of the picklist field that you want to check, and the text underscore literal specify the picklist value that you want to match in the picklist field value. So let's proceed and learn how we can use this ISPICKVAL function in Salesforce Lightning as well as a classic user interface with the help of examples. So here I open my Salesforce account, then I click on a gear icon and select the setup option to redirect myself to the Lightning setup page of the Salesforce. Once I reached here, on the top of the navigation bar, I have a object manager as a tab, so I click on that. Once I click on that, it will show me the list of all the objects that are present in Salesforce. So I have choose to one object on which I want to apply this ISPICKVAL function. I am going to show you the value on the product object, as I want to show you the status of the product based upon the pick list value, whether you have product is in stock or not. So I click on a product as an object, and once I click on that, it will take me to the page where I need to click on the fields and relationship option from the left, and then I click on the new button from the top of the right side, and once I click, it will take me to the page where I need to choose the type of field that I want to store the information. I am going to choose the formula as a 1 and click on the next button. Once I click on a next, it asks me to choose the field label. So I choose the field label as a product stock, and here you can see that the field name get automatically populated once I click anywhere on the screen. The next thing, you need to scroll down and choose the formula return type. I choose the text as a 1 and click on the next button to proceed to the next step. Now here on this step, you need to create the formula according to your requirement using the ISPICKVAL function. For choosing up the function, I click on the all function category, choose the text as a 1 and scroll down to the ISPICKVAL function. Here I choose it down and click on the insert selected value function, and here I now need to replace the parameters with my required inserted field and the operator. So let's do that. So here I have written up my formula and click on the check syntax button to let you know it is working fine or not. So if there is no error, you will get the message of no syntax error. Basically here I am using the if function that checks the value of the picklist value product availability is equal to out of stock using the ISPICKVAL function. If the picklist value matches the specified thing, and it will return the thing as unavailable, and if the picklist value is not in out of stock picklist value, it will show you the available. Now I click on the next step and to move to the next button, and here now I choose the profile to which I want to grant the edit access of this particular field. And the thing next, we have to click on the next button to choose the page layout on which I include that field. So once you do all such thing, you need to click on a save button, and once you click on a save, it successfully save the formula field using a ISPICKVAL function. Now if you want to check, you need to click on a app launcher moving to the left side, and here you need to search for the object that is the products. Once you click on that, it will take you to the that product page, and here you need to choose up the already existing product, or you can create either the new one as per your requirement to check how it is working on. Here I am going to edit the already existing one, and I am on my details section. I click on edit and edit the things to do all such the things. So here I scroll down, and here I am going to choose up the picklist value which I have created. Where it is, here it is, the product availability. I have chosen into the out of stock and click on a save button, and once I click on a save and scroll down to this thing, and here you can see that the product stock is unavailable. Okay, so with this we have successfully learned how you can use the ISPICKVAL function in Salesforce Lightning. Now we will proceed and learn how we can use this function in a Salesforce Classic. So firstly we need to redirect ourselves to the Salesforce Classic. So I click on my profile, and here I need to click on a switch to a Salesforce Classic button. Once I click on that, it will redirect me to the Classic setup, and here I need to click on a setup as a button. Once I click on that, it will take me to the Classic setup. Now I scroll down and move to the build section. Here I expand the customize as a drop down, and from here I need to choose the object on which I want to work. I am going to show you the example for the contracts as a object. So let's see where it is. So here I'm getting this thing on a here, so I expand it down, and once I expand it down, I click on a fields as an option. Now I scroll down to the contract custom field and relationship option and click on a new as a button, and after that I need to choose the field type. Here I choose the formula as a 1 and click on the next button, and once I click on the next one, it will take me to the page where I have to set the field label. So here I choose the field label as a contract due date. So I'm going to calculate it on based of something, and here I choose the return type as a date because I'm calculating the date, and click on the next button to proceed to the next step. Once I click on the next step, it will move to the next page where I have to create up the formula as per my requirement, and here I need to choose the function category. So here I click on all function and choose the text as a 1, and from here I choose the ISPICKVAL as a function. You need to click on that and click on inserted field. Now I am going to create the formula as per my requirement, then I will explain you what I have done. So here I click on a check syntax. So if there is no error, it will gives you the message of there is a no error. So here I get the message. Now in this function I use the if function to check if the picklist value in the picklist field validation period is equals to 1 year. Using the ISPICKVAL, it adds the date as a start date with 365 days, otherwise it will result you for the start date plus 730 days. Okay, and now I click on the next button to proceed to the next step where you want to choose a profile to which you want to grant the edit access of this particular field. And after doing such thing, you need to click on a next step, and where you need to choose the page layout on which you want to include this field. After doing all such things, you need to click on a save button, and once you click on a save, it successfully create a formula field using the ISPICKVAL function in Salesforce Classic. Now to see how it is working, I click on the contracts as a object on the top and open the random one, and you can create also the new one to check it out. Now I scroll down and choose the validation period. So here I am choosing the one as a validation period and click on a save, and once I click on a save, you can see that it automatically calculated the start date. Where it is, just see. Okay, it calculated the start date. It calculated the start date plus 365 days in the validation period. So here it counts the validation things to the result. So with this, we have successfully learned how we can use the ISPICKVAL function in Salesforce Lightning and Classic in Salesforce. So if you like this video, click on the like button and also subscribe to channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching and have a great day.